I'm back as promised with the travel stamp carving kit video. So on my recent vacation, I shot some of this and I just wanted to show you how easy it could be. So I first bring my magnifying travel thing. It actually has a light on it. I didn't bring batteries on this vacation because I have so much sun, but it's super bright and it's very, very helpful for seeing the details, and it's great because it clamps onto things. I brought some ink with me, one of my favorite Colors. It has 5 colors in it, but it can also be done as a gradient, which is really fun. But this is the place where I keep most of it, and this is just a tin I had for other things. So the paper you see is actually from the recent Carve Along video I did, which if you want to join, still free to sign up. I brought a 4B pencil, not a regular pencil. It's very helpful. I brought my X-Acto handle, my most basic one, but you'll see there's no knife in it. I brought a prototype carving gouge handle, as well as a whole bunch of little sized stamp covering rubbers that I like to use. So this is a full one, it's a small one, but here's a piece of another solid material. I've got some seed material. There's also the Daiso corner from a slab. And what I do with the gouge and the blade, I actually wrap them. I don't travel with them installed. So this is actually in a in some washi tape. So there's my #1 gouge tip. As you can see, it keeps it safe so it doesn't jab anything and it keeps itself sharp. I also have a blade, and so I tape those into the tin so that I don't have any problems with them floating around and hurting myself while I'm trying to unpack them. So, and there you go, fresh, sharp X-Acto blade. So I'm going to leave that installed there. That is my small little kit. I like to bring the scraps to carve little midgy type stamps while I'm traveling, and then it's perfect, and you can sit in the sun or wherever you might find yourself and have a nice calming, soothing session of carving. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you can travel soon, and if you're interested in these videos, please feel free to subscribe. I have a number of other videos coming. Thank you so much.